factor of 3 of 282. So 282, it can be written as 2 times 141. 2 times 141 is 282. 141, it can be written as 3 times 47. 3 times 47 mean 141. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3 and 47. So we can write 282 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 3 and times this 47. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.